Planet Earth. The one thing this blue-green planet of ours is known for most of all is animals. But what practical purpose do animals serve? Animals are the world's largest source of methane, without which the planet would freeze and everything would die. The only animal that doesn't regularly contribute to helping warm up the planet is the penguin, who does manufacture methane, but because the frozen tundra it lives on freezes up the sphincter, must go for up to 9 months of the year trying to hold it in. This explains why they're so buoyant in the water, and why each year they migrate thousands of miles to warmer climates where their sphincters will unthaw and they can finally let one rip. Next week on The Call of Nature, the miracle of flight.